Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete contact from list on Wix.com. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, and here on the search bar simply type in Wix.com, and then once you're in your home, here you'll be seeing an option that says customer and dates. Simply tap on it, and then you'll find an option that says contacts, then tap on it. And once you're inside contacts, now in order to delete a contact, what you need to do is select the contact from the list, and then once you select it, here you'll be seeing this three dot icon. Simply click on it, and then you'll find these three options. Simply select delete, and once you tap on delete, here you'll be seeing this pop-up option that says can delete this number, or as you delete the selected contact, all you gotta do now is just simply click on delete, and that's basically how to do it. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.